The administration was able to sell its Series B bonds, which are tied to business privilege taxes, for a record low interest rate of 4.6%. This 4.6% interest rate replaces the former record low 4.9% interest rate that the administration earned for the Series A bond in December. Both Governor Eddie Calvo and Guam Economic Development Authority Administrator Carl Pangilinan called into the breakfast show with Ray Gibson this morning to explain.
Thankfully, we went into the market late in the day, and I think that was also a good thing. Timing couldn't have been any perfect. If we did this deal yesterday, Ray, I want to say anywhere from 15 to 20 points higher.
Pangilinan says there was a lot of competition with Guam's bonds as San Diego, San Antonio, Washington State, and other municipalities were marketing government bonds of their own. Luckily, this competition wasn't enough to stop GovGuam from getting a record low rate and selling its $108.7 million bond.
The proceeds aren't going to cover everything that's due. We're just sorting through the numbers right now. It looks like we're going to have probably around $104 million in net proceeds.
Here is a rough estimate of how the proceeds will be spent. About $60 million will go to tax refunds for tax year 2011. About $25.1 million to reimburse GovGuam's retirement fund, and about $18 million for health insurance payments and other purposes. So how soon will this money be in the bank?
We're planning on closing on June 6th. So right around midnight of June 6th, we should have actual cash in the Bank of Guam, the trustee.
And how soon can taxpayers expect their 2011 tax refunds?
We're looking at the first week of June, mailing out those refund checks and making good in some of the other commitments that were prioritized as a result of the passage of the Series B bond legislation.